Your computer could be infected, tracked, or slowing down right now without even you realizing it. In this video, I will show you how to protect your computer using AVG Ultimate, including antivirus, VPN, and performance tools free for 30 days. Hi, I am Clement, and on this channel, I share clear, honest tutorials to help you stay safe online and use trusted software the right way. Just a quick note before we begin. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. There is no guarantee of results. Always verify before participating. My link may earn me a small commission and no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Today, I will show you step by step how to download, install, and activate the 30-day free trial of AVG Ultimate so you can test all premium features safely and legally before deciding whether it is right for you or not. What will really be included in this free trial? You will get full access to AVG Internet Security for real-time virus and malware protection, AVG Secure VPN to protect your privacy, especially on public Wi-Fi, AVG TuneUp to clean your system and improve performance. This is not a limited demo. It is a full premium version for 30 days. I will also clarify common questions like whether AVG can be trusted and how to avoid unexpected charges after the trial. Now, let us go to my screen and I will show you exactly how to download and install AVG Ultimate using the official link. Okay, as you can see on screen, we want to now see how we can download AVG on our laptop, on our computer. Let me copy the link. Let's go now and open a browser. Let me go to my Chrome browser. You choose your own browser. Let us paste the link just over here. Allow it now to load. Just use the link that you see there, please, the description. That is it, that has loaded. As you can see here, you see the different products of AVG. You have home, business. Most often in our case, we will be using home, but in case you have an organization, a big company, you can move to business, which is bigger. Business or home, but most often the focus will be on AVG Internet Security for many. But now to have the package, you see at the corner AVG Ultimate, you see the different products that each one is having, either AVG Internet Security or AVG Internet. They will tell you what each one does. You see up to 10 devices. That the focus will be on AVG Ultimate most often because there you have is a package. If you are ready, you can just move on there with buying. Just click on AVG Ultimate and then you can click on it if you like, or you click on learn more. Either way will go. Let's click on AVG Ultimate and then this page will load. And then they will ask you now, is it for what? PC, Mac, and so forth. When you scroll, you can see the prices. For example, $4.99 per month. If you are ready, you can buy. There you have AVG Internet Security, AVG Secure VPN, AVG TuneUp, and then AVG Anti-Track. And they explain the different things that each product does to protect your online security. So you see the power of AVG Ultimate. You select the is it for PC, Mac, mobile, and so for when you put on PC, you will now propose you have AVG Ultimate, AntiVirus, and so forth. And from there now you can see the different functionalities that can really help protect your device with all the online threats you are facing. If you click on AVG Ultimate, that is it loading, it is going to show you these different products as we said, but the focus, as we said, we like to make sure that you test AVG for free. When you are ready, you can come and buy it, but most often it will be good you yourself test for free. You see the power of AVG. Just scroll right down where you have FAQs, that is questions and answers. Then now our focus will be to check the question that says, can I get AVG Ultimate for free? Just click on that plus and then you get the answer. Where it says you can try all the premium products within AVG Ultimate with a free trial. See how wonderful it is. That package, then you can try the AVG Internet Security for free, the AVG Secure VPN for free, and the AVG TuneUp for free. Then we are going to select one for now so that you can try it for free for yourself and see how powerful AVG. Let's take this first one, AVG Internet Security free. Let's click on it and this page now opens. If the download does not start automatically, you can just move where they say your download will begin automatically. If not, just click here. When you click there, this page will load. Click here. Then you click on start download. Click on start download. Open the folder so that you can go and get the setup, because we need the setup. Let's go and get the setup. Let me right click and then I copy to get the setup. Let me lower this page so that we can go and save the setup. Let me create a folder on my desktop that I will name AVG, simply put, so that I can put the setup there, because we use it now to run on our computer. Let me right click and paste it, and let's double click it so that we can start running it on our computer. Let's double click on it, and that is it. That is opening. AVG now is opening. Be ready so that we can install that. Is it moving very fast? Just allow it to be loading, please. Let's just be patient a bit as it is doing its own work so that we can install AVG on our computer. Just need to be patient, please, as this is unfolding. Install. That is it now installing. As you see, 10% is moving very fast. You can still go back and then even get the other ones. You can also go and get their setting. You just need to click on that plus, and then you can also, after getting, you can now get even the AVG Secure VPN for free so that you can test it. Let's click on it so that you can also get the setup in case you're also interested in using the VPN on your computer. Same process here. You just need, if it does not start loading automatically, click here so that the download can begin. That is it. Click on start download. That is it, downloading. You need to go open folder so that we can get the setup also. Let me get the setup. Let me lower this page. As the AVG is installing, you see it's 11% already. Let's paste it here. So you just need to double click on it so that you can also begin installing the VPN also. That is it. That is unpacking the AVG Secure VPN. So that besides having the antivirus, we can also have the VPN for those who are interested in having the VPN alongside. See, the other one is already at 13%. Let's just allow it to unpack. That is it, that is unpacking. Let's go back and get the other one. After getting the VPN, we want now to also get the setup for the next one. Already at 15%. 15% already. Just need to be patient, please, as it is uploading. %16. Click on install it, that is installed, so that you can also begin installing the AVG Secure VPN. You can go back again. Let's go back and get the other setup. I'll go back again to, can I get Ultimate for free? I want to get also the AVG TuneUp. Let's click on it. You are protected for 30 days. Money back guarantee. Does not start loading. You just click again. Click here to also get that dead one. Click on start download. Click on start download. That is it uploading. Okay, open folder. Let's click on open folder to get it also. Let me right click and get it. I'm going to save the setup also because I want to also run that one. Let me right click and paste it here. Paste. Okay, let us open the TuneUp. That is it also unpacking. Just be patient. We want to install all the three so that we can test all the three. And then after that, now you can decide to see if you buy or not. It is good if it's possible to test it for free. In case you are ready, you can just get it right away. Only don't forget to use the link that is in my description, please, so that you can just follow the steps I explained to you. Let's just be patient as it is unpacking it, and as the other ones are also installing in the background so that our laptop can really be protected. AVG Internet Security, okay, it's already going to the next stage, so that you can also click on install it, that is install. Let's just be patient, please. That's it. You just click on install it, that is install, and then you also begin installing, that is the AVG TuneUp. Mean that the three of them are being installed on our computer. This is really necessary to protect ourselves online with all the dangers we know are lurking online. Let's just be patient, please. It is uploading. See that they are progressing very well. AVG Internet Security is already at more than 80 something percent. And then the AVG TuneUp is already at 24%. Let's just be patient, please. You need to be patient. As you can see under there, they are progressing properly. Let's just allow them to upload all so that we can really protect our computer, please. This is necessary, please, for our protection online. Click on continue. In my case here, they are reminding me that I have to renew my own license in 2 days. I will do that. They say launching Premier Analyst, that is, you need to launch the first scan. It's very important, please, so they can scan your computer to check for any malware. Please do that, please. Try to analyze your computer so that it can scan and look for any malware, then disinfect it so that you can be protected and your device too can be protected. Let's just allow it to scan our device, please. Just click there to activate it. That is loading. You see the tick. When I selected the nearest location so that it can be hidden online, and I selected Lagos, Nigeria. Let me lower it. But you can change if you like. Here they say there is an issue that has been found. What do I need to do? It's important to solve this problem urgently, please. It's a very dangerous element. Just click there to solve it so that you can remove it. This is also the AVG TuneUp that is loading. It's almost finishing. Also setting up AVG TuneUp. AVG TuneUp. As you can see, the TuneUp is installed and now it's trying now to go through our computer, analyzing it to see all the files that are not really necessary so they can clean our computer, and this is necessary so that you can save some space. And please really do this. Your VPN is there, your TuneUp is there, and then at the same time your AntiVirus 2 is installed. And this is how you just go about installing these 3 so that you can test them for free. And then when you are satisfied now, you can move now to subscribe and then get a full license. Thank you really for paying attention to see how you can really do this. As you have just seen, downloading and installing AVG Ultimate is simple, and you can test all these premium features free for 30 days. If you want to avoid fake websites or unsafe downloads, use my trusted link in the description below to access the official AVG trial. Using my link supports this channel at no extra cost to you and helps me continue making helpful tutorials like this one. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future security and tech guides.